5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
A petitioner husband has filed the present petition under Article 227 of the Constitution of India full stop. The petitioner is aggrieved by the judgment of the trial court dated 23 April 2009 passed on an application filed by the respondent wife under Section 24 of the Hindu Marriage Act, wherein the trial court has awarded rupees 12,000 per month as maintenance to the respondent and two minor children full stop. The necessary facts to be noticed for disposal of the present petition are that marriage between the parties was solemnized on 19 May 1996 full stop. Out of their wedlock, a son and a daughter presently aged about 13 years and 11 years were born full stop. Stanza. Owing to matrimonial discord, parties have been residing separately full stop. It is submitted by counsel for the petitioner that learned trial court has erred in awarding maintenance of rupees 12,000 for the respondent and two minor children full stop. Counsel for the petitioner submits that the learned trial court has failed to take into consideration that the petitioner is working in a private company and earns rupees 6,000 per month only, and he is not in a position to pay this amount to the respondent full stop. Further, the counsel submits that the trial court has erroneously assessed the income of the petitioner to be rupees 20,000 to 25,000 per month full stop. It is next submitted that the respondent is residing on the first floor of the premises which belong to the petitioner along with the children, and the petitioner is paying the water and electricity charges for the premises full stop. Chanja. It is submitted that in view of the fact that the petitioner is earning a meager sum of rupees 6,000, the order is bad in law and is liable to be set aside full stop. It is submitted by counsel for the respondent that the petitioner has concealed his true income full stop. It is next submitted that in an attempt to escape from paying maintenance to the respondent and two minor children, the petitioner did not place any documents before the trial court such as his salary slip, appointment letter from his present employers and other supporting documents on record full stop. The counsel for the respondent further submits that the petitioner is running a factory where the assembles radios and transistors, and he is financially well off full stop. Stanza. The counsel submits that the petitioner has employed about 20 laborers in the factory to whom he is paying wages full stop. Further, besides the factory, the petitioner is also receiving a rental income of rupees 15,000 from letting out the Maruti van full stop. It is next submitted that an estimate of the status of the petitioner may be drawn from the fact that the petitioner has subscribed to a DTNL landline and two mobile phones for which he is paying a monthly bill of rupees 2,500 full stop. The counsel further submits that the petitioner owns two motorcycles and pays monthly electricity bill of rupees 5,000 for the factory in addition to the other two-day expenses for running the factory full stop. It is next submitted that it is admitted by the petitioner that he is repaying a loan advanced from SBI Bank for starting and running his factory, for which he is paying a monthly installment of rupees 4,191 for repayment of the loan to the bank full stop. Stanza. In view of the assets owned and admission of the petitioner of paying off the loan, counsel for the respondent submits that it cannot be believed that the petitioner is earning a meager sum of rupees 6,000 full stop. This contention of the respondent is vehemently opposed by the counsel for the petitioner. It is submitted that in order to repay the loan, the petitioner is working overtime at his company full stop stanza. The counsel for the respondent submits that the petitioner had concealed his PAN card partnership deed of Rahim Electronics, detailed of SBI credit card, debit card of ICICI Bank statements which would show his conduct full stop. It is further submitted that it was only after the respondent placed copies of electricity and telephone bills, PAN card, and other documents that the petitioner submitted that he wished to make certain clarifications with respect to his income full stop. I have heard the counsel for the parties and also careful perused documents placed on record and the order dated 23 April 2009 passed by the learned trial court full stop. While deciding the application filed by the respondent, the trial court has taken into consideration possession of mobile phones and one landline telephone, electricity bills, and mobile bill charges of the petitioner, the fact that petitioner has obtained financial assistance from SBI Bank, the fact that he is repaying the loan and paying installment of rupees 4,191 per month, and also the fact that he has concealed his true income full stop stanza. Further, the trial court has also considered that the petitioner has neither placed any appointment letter nor salary certificate from his employer on record full stop. No set formula can be laid for fixing the amount of maintenance full stop. It has in the very nature of things to depend on the facts and circumstance of each case full stop. Some scope for leverage can however be always there full stop. Court has to consider the status of the parties, their respective needs, capacity of the husband to pay, having regard to his reasonable expenses for his own maintenance and of those he is obliged under the law and statutory but involuntary payments or deductions full stop. The amount of maintenance fixed for the wife should be such as she can live in reasonable comfort considering her status and the mode of life she was used to when she lived with her husband, and also that she does not feel handicapped in the prosecution of her case full stop stanza. At the same time, the amount so fixed cannot be excessive or extortionate full stop. In the circumstances of the present case, we fix maintenance pendente light at the rate of rupees 5,000 per month payable by respondent husband to the appellant wife full stop. These are some of the factors which may be considered by any court in guesstimating or gaining a rough idea or to guess the income of a spouse full stop. It has repeatedly been held by the courts that one cannot ignore the fact that an Indian woman has been given an equal status under Articles 14 and 16 of the Constitution of India, and she has a right to live in dignity and according to the status of her husband full stop stanza. Applying the settled law and the factors detailed above to the facts of this case, admittedly the appellant is repaying a loan obtained for the purpose of starting off his own factory from SBI Bank and is paying a monthly installment of rupees 4,191 per month towards repayment of same full stop. It is highly improbable that the appellant would be granted a loan from SBI Bank in case petitioner was earning a mere sum of rupees 6,000 per month full stop. It is even more improbable that a person earning rupees 6,000 per month would be in a position to maintain two mobile phones, one landline, and would open various bank accounts and holds several credit and debit cards full stop. It is apparent from the conduct of the appellant and also from perusal of the impugned order that the appellant has not disclosed his true income full stop.